Good afternoon, everyone. As we learn the Mishna Yomis for Monday, Yom Beis Shel Shabbos Parshas Truma, and I'm recording on the road, and we are sponsored by the Fisher family, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo Ben Avram Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain, Neshama should have an aliyah. Also, Lili Nishmas Matzio Chaim Ben Yaakov Refu Shalem for Yom Moshe Ben Chayesar for the schus of Avram Yom Ben Shvamak Yudis and family. Also for Meir Ben Chayesara and by Yo Klugman for their Parnasa Gesund and Nachas. We are going to be entering the last parak of Kesuvos. We learn the final Mishnah in the 12th parak and the first Mishnah in the 13th and final parak of Masechtas Kesuvos. That's really amazing. So the Mishnah tells us, Kol zman shehi bebeis aviyah, as long as the wife is in her father's home. So over there, she's not handing out sugar and flour to the neighbors from the Yisomim's estate. So Gova Kesuvos Aloylam, she could collect her ksuva indefinitely. Kozman she bebeis bala, but when she's in her husband's home, Gova Kesuvos ad esim chameshanim, she could only collect it for 25 years. After 25 years, we say that the favors that she gave out from the estate equal up to her ksuva. She gives little favors which equal up to her ksuva. That's the opinion of Meir. Shama Mishim Reb Shimon Gamliel says in the name of Shimon Gamliel. The Chacham strongly disagree. The Chacham Maimim, no. Kozman she bebeis baila, while she's in her husband's home, Goyvik Kesuvos Aloylam. The fact that she was silent and didn't ask for her ksuva is not tantamount to a waiving of her ksuva, a mechil of her ksuva, because she feels uncomfortable since the children are giving her covet in the house. She doesn't feel comfortable to make a claim. The fact that she gives out favors, that's good for the family. That doesn't get deducted from her ksuva. However, Kolzman she bebeis aviyah, but if she's in her father's home, where there she's not living with the Yisomim and having them give her covet, she should have mentioned the ksuva in 25 years. Gova Kesuvos ad esim chameshanim, until 25 years. If she doesn't mention it, that's a sign that she was meichelet. Mesa, if she dies, her ears, they could ask for the ksuva up to 25 years, or mention it at least. If they don't, that's a sign that they waived the ksuva. And now we start the final parak of Masechtas Kesuvos, the 13th parak, and it starts off, Shnei Dayana Gezeres Hoya B'Yerushalayim. There were two very expert judges who did decrees in Yerushalayim. Admain, one was named Admain, and the other was named the Chanan ben Avishalom. Not Avshalom, because we wouldn't name after Russia, but ben Avishalom. Chanan said two things, Adman Shiva. Adman said 7. We're going to learn now the first thing that Chanan said. Somebody went overseas, and his wife says, look, my husband is not here, I need support. Chanan says, we don't make her swear now that her husband didn't leave her cash or didn't leave her provisions. Tishava basayf. She swears in case she gets divorced or her husband dies, then she swears, and just like she swears that the husband didn't already pay up the ksuva, we could ask her to swear about when she collected the mezainis that the husband didn't leave her any money. She doesn't swear in the beginning. However, the children of the Kahanim Gedolim argue, and they say, well, in the case where, let's say, she predeceases her husband, then she would never have sworn about it. Therefore, v'amru tishava batchila, before she can take for her mezainis and sell property from her husband's estate for mezainis, she has to swear now that the husband didn't leave her anything. Ubesaif, and also when she collects her ksuva, she also has to swear then. Reb Daisa ben Hirkanis Kedivrayim. Reb Daisa ben Hirkanis agrees with the opinion of the Bnei Kohanim Gedalim. However, Reb Yochanan ben Zakkai, Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai stoutly says, Yafa Amar Chanan. Chanan said correct. Laiti Shava, she doesn't have to swear now when she gets the Mazainis. Ela Basayf, later when she comes to collect the Kesuva, she swears that the husband didn't leave her anything for the Kesuva, and also she swears at the time that she took the Mazainis that the husband didn't leave her any cash or any jewels to support herself with. Then she swears about that. We want to thank you very much for joining us. I know that some people are clamoring to me that yesterday's Mishna Yomis and the daf that I gave last night, which is really today's daf, is not yet on YouTube or on Torah Anytime or on Kol Lashon. We're going to try to correct that. Thank you very much.